Hello and welcome back to Roses for Adventure. It's been a minute, but we're back, and today we are in beautiful St. Maarten. We just landed last night, and I forgot to make you guys a video before I left of all the items I packed, so I thought I'd show you how I pack for a 7-night beautiful vacation in St. Maarten in just a carry-on and a backpack. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, this is what I wore to the airport. Just a t-shirt, some black leggings, and I wore a nice cozy sweatshirt and my tennis shoes, because my tennis shoes are the bulkiest item I pack. So why not wear them on the plane? Plus you do lots of walking in the airport. Just great to wear them. I always recommend doing it because it's a bulky item that then you don't have to try to cram in your suitcase. And you have comfortable shoes for walking, especially if you have a really big distance between your boarding gates. When you have a layover like we did, we walked almost a mile to get from one gate to the other. So, first things first, here are my bags. Just a standard carry-on bag, and then I love this Yeti backpack. It is water resistant as well, so it's great to take with us on the beach or when we go scuba diving later this week. So, let's do my backpack first, and then I'll go through all the things I pack in my carry-on. This backpack is huge. It holds a lot. Has a great zipper here in the back, and it unzips and unfolds like this. So I have my tablet in here so I can watch movies on the airplane, and then it's got some great zipper pockets. So I have my Kindle. Whoop, all my money fell out. And then here I have some snacks from the plane and some gum. Then this whole compartment unzips and you can cram a whole bunch of stuff in here. So I have things like Tums, sunglasses, a cord with an adapter because they have different plugs here in St. Maarten than we do in the US, hair clip, more sunglasses, my headphones, my Beats, and then I also like to have these, they're called Open Run by Shocks, and they just sit over top of your ear because sometimes with the big bulky headphones it hurts my ear after a while, so I just prefer these, and they're lightweight. And then I have a hat and my wallet. And then it also has a compartment here on the side that you can access from the outside here as well as through the top of the backpack, and I have my water bottle. Then it has another pocket here on the top, and that has things like my chapstick and extra GoPro batteries. And then the last pocket here has, it's just right here in the front, try to show you. This front zips down, and I have this little med case, which is really great, and I filled it with just things like Tylenol, ibuprofen, just a couple little over-the-counter meds, and I labeled them all so that I know what they are. And then it comes with this little pick so that it's easier to open these little compartments because it can be kind of hard to open. I really recommend this. I think it was like $6 on Amazon, so I will link this down in the description. This is a great one to have, not too pricey and super convenient. I love having this even just in my purse or in my car, so I have some over-the-counter stuff on the go. And then I have a Lysol spray. Oh, there goes a hair tie. A Lysol spray and my face sunscreen that I like. That's it. That was all that was in here. I definitely could have fit more. So if you have other things that you enjoy having in your carry-on, this backpack fits so much. All right, here is my carry-on. Yes, I fit clothes and items that I want for the next 7 to 8 days because we have laundry here. So I can just do laundry midweek, rewear stuff. Plus, it's gonna be 87 to 90 today and every day that we're here, so I really just need a swimsuit. And our Airbnb provided beach towels and all the other things that we needed, so we did not need to provide any of that stuff. Okay, let's get into it. This is my cosmetic bag. I have shared this in previous videos as well. I really like it because it has this outside zipper compartment for all of your brushes. And then this one just opens up into one big thing, but it still stays organized. So I have all of the makeup things that I want, face wash, lotions, nail polish, hair accessories. I love having a Tide pen Always love having those. Yeah, just your basic cosmetics, nothing fancy. We're not doing any really fancy dinners, so I didn't feel like I needed to pack a whole bunch of over-the-top fancy things. So there's my cosmetic bag. I'll link that down in the description below as well. I did throw in just some face masks and under eye masks in case I wanted them. I just got these at TJ Maxx, so nothing fancy. I packed my Lions jersey because the Lions are going to play while we're here, so we're hoping we can find a sports bar to watch them play at. I packed 2 pairs of sandals, a dressy pair and Chacos. These will be great for just walking around every day, going to the beach, running around. These will just be if we go out to dinner, and I'll show you which things I paired with them once we find that packing cube. I did pack an extra set of plugs just in case I have more things that I want to charge, and this was easy to just throw in. The next thing you're going to want is packing cubes. This is a lifesaver, and you can cram so much stuff in here, and it really compacts it really well, so it still stays organized. And when we fly with our kids, we like to fit all of theirs in a packing cube, and then this is their clothes for the week. So you can just hand this to them, like, here, this is all yours. We don't have to go searching through the suitcase. So there is a size that we like, and I can't remember what it is right now, but again, I'll link that down below. There are lots of different brands. You definitely don't need this one. I have 2 different packing cubes, but they are the same size. So I will say this is the size that we like. Again, sorry, I don't remember what one it is right now because we are in St Maarten. So anyways, I have a swimsuit cover-up. I have a skirt, shorts, jean skirt, another skirt. I have 3, oh, there's another skirt, so that's 3 skirts, a skirt, and shorts. I have 3 athletic tops. Tank top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I actually packed for 6 days. I thought I did 5, but this will just be for every day, or I can use these tank tops over top of my swimsuit with one of my skirts or something like that. And then I packed this. We are going on a boat one day, so I wanted like a nice sun cover up for my shoulders and arms so I don't get fried. So that was packing cube number 1. Packing cube number 2 has things like my swimsuits. This looks like another long sleeve just in case I wanted something. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to need this. The weather here is very warm, but I grabbed it just in case. I have my socks, underwear, sports bras, swimsuits, and some dressy clothes, which I will take out. I don't need to show you everything else. So I just brought like a dressier top for going to dinner. I did bring 2 dresses and a romper. So I brought this one. I love it because it's nice and lightweight, very comfortable. I believe this was another Amazon purchase. I'll try and look through my history and see if it is. If so, I'll link it below. This, I think, was from Cupshe. Just a cute little romper. And then this black dress I love just because it's a black dress, and who wants not to love. And then this was also from Amazon. So that's it. That's all I packed for clothes. The rest you don't really need to see. It's just my swimsuits and stuff. And then this is something that not everybody's going to need. So if you don't need this, you have a whole extra space in your suitcase that you could really do another packing cube, because this is the same size as my packing cubes, but it has all of my camera gear, all the stuff I would need for pictures, photography, for when we go on hikes, for like when we go scuba diving, extra batteries that just fell out. So I need this for scuba diving with the GoPro, and then just all the other camera equipment that I want. So it's just kind of thrown in here, but this is an extra thing that probably not everybody needs to have. So maybe I don't pack as much as you would think, or as much as you would want, but now you have a whole extra packing cube area if you're not going to pack camera equipment. So you really could fit a lot more clothes in here. I hope that you've liked this video and that it helped you realize that you don't need to pack so much stuff, because I know I personally have gone on vacation plenty of times, and there are things that I packed that I never even looked at or wore, and it was just a total waste of space, and I didn't need to bring it all the way from home to my vacation. So this is your message to stop packing so much. It's okay to rewear things, because if you're in your swimsuit all day, they don't really get dirty anyways. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of great travel tips and hacks. Also, just wanted to clarify something for you guys. So I said I packed my face sunscreen because this is TSA approved and I can check it through in my carry-on. Regular sunscreen, I couldn't check it or bring it in my carry-on. I would have to check a bag, which we don't want to do because it can get lost. It's extra time wasting, waiting for it to come down the carousel. We just don't deal with it. So when we get to wherever we're gonna go, we find a grocery store, Walgreens, pharmacy, something like that, and just buy sunscreen for the week, even if we're cruising. So when we get to cruise port or wherever we land, that's when we buy our sunscreen, and then we have extra room in our backpacks or whatever that we can throw it in. I will also say my husband packs light like I do, so he had plenty of room, like where my camera bag was, that he fit our snorkel and masks for us to go scuba diving with. So again, each of you might have your own little side quest that you want to do while you're on vacation, and that's a great place for where my camera equipment was in my carry-on. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for the little outtake. Thought I'd share that with you before I forgot. Have a great adventure.